So I have some really cool news. So not only have we meeting up with the Melanie and Nicholas and Liam from our crystal hunting group and tribe, Bartek and Alicia are also about 5 minutes away, so I'm so happy. And then tomorrow we're all going to be going to Motsi's birthday and celebrating in a beautiful villa, eating some awesome food. Mirta even rang me earlier to say what do we need to do so that Nick can eat with us, because Nick's Crohn's, he can't eat skins and bloody blah. So yeah, they're even catering for Nick. They are the most beautiful couple. So yeah, really looking forward to us all being back together. But for now, we've got Bartek and Alicia coming. It's good to see you guys. How are you?
Good. You alright? Miss you guys.
Best hugs.
Go, dude.
I'm so good at pretending. Keep on smiling in my tiny bubble, like a movie without ending.
Good morning. Excuse my eye, my hair, and the fact that I'm in bed. But today's the day we go and celebrate Motsi's birthday, which is really exciting. I'm just having a bit of a chill this morning in bed, while Nick is outside having a workout with Bartek, which is really cool. He's actually stuck to what he said and he's gone for the workout. He was like, just let me have a coffee and then I'll start. So yeah, Nick's outside doing that. I'm lazy and inside, enjoying a bit of quiet time before the crazy party later. Really looking forward to it. Just spending time with these guys all together again is going to be awesome. I'm not sure what we're doing from there, but we shall see. For now, I need to get my arse up, get ready, see if I can do something about this eye and this eye, because it's now in 2 bloody eyes, and then hopefully I can fix them, put a bit of makeup on and cover it all up. But we need to pack up this van because it's a bit of a shit tip, and I'm pretty sure when Nick comes in from his workout, if I've not done anything related to tidying up this van, he's going to be pissed with me. So I need to get my arse out of bed, get sorted so that we can get on the road. It's about 25 minutes away, I think. So yeah, it's going to be a good day. I just know it.
Have you heard there's a pose of you with a doggy like this?
I know. I can't resist them. Oh my god.
Oh no, what have you done, Jenny?
Oh no. Bye, Sidi Kaouki. Right, we've spent a few days at Sidi Kaouki, gathered some troops, i.e. Alicia, Bartek, Liam, Mel and Nicholas.
We've got a convoy again.
And we're now in a convoy again. Hooray, hooray, hooray. So we're just en route to Mots and Mirta's villa that they're renting with their mums. And we are basically gonna fuck shit up and have a party, right?
Yeah, baby.
It's been, last night was even lush, so tonight's gonna be even better. We've got the crew together, we're just missing a few, but they're doing their thing. We will just have them there with us in spirit, right?
Yeah, plus we're always going to catch up with them anyway, aren't we?
Yes, yeah. We know we're gonna see all these guys again, it's inevitable. Right, so come and hopefully, fingers crossed, these clouds will bugger off by the time we get there.
It is, I mean, it's alright.
It's not too bad.
If you don't look that way.
If you don't look behind you. Right, come on, come with us.
That's the sound of the police. That's the sound of the beat.
How are you?
Bonjour.
English.
Anglais.
Yep.
What papers? Passport?
Camp papers and your camp papers.
Where's the sunshine?
It's very wet. Got the white card. Insurance. Logbook. I thought it was in. Is it okay? It's okay though, yeah?
Off. A what? A fraction about stop.
We stopped. On the corner? We stopped to turn.
We
turned left. Well, we did stop because we had to turn left because there was a bike coming.
Okay.
And they stopped first and we stopped behind them.
You don't stop it, then
Have you got proof?
yeah.
Oh, can we see?
So we've just been stopped, both Bartek, Alicia, me and Nick, but Liam went ahead. Apparently we didn't stop at a stop sign, but I don't know whether that's true or not. Having a good look around our van.
So what we've been billed? Well, it's
What?
150 for speeding.
No,
Sure.
it depends. But I read about this, and not following 5 kilometers speeding is 400. Running the red light is 700, and they are giving you like the official paper with 400 on it. So I think
Gonna have to swallow it.
Souvenir.
Oh, do you know, we were here in Morocco last winter, and that's our first ticket ever. It's what it is, Nick. We've got to just swallow it. How frustrating. God, you could have got done for speeding instead. It would have been cheaper. Just hurry up and write the ticket.
At least we got souvenir.
Fucking hell, Nicholas.
Don't fucking blame me. I didn't know there was a stop sign.
Don't blame me.
Oh, so
Who's the
my-
driver?
Sign there. Here. No worries, mate. You're only doing your job. An expensive souvenir. Hey,
Expensive, yeah.
been driving about 40 years. I've never had a ticket in my life.
Ever?
Ever.
Ever? Not even speeding?
No.
No tickets? I know. I know. But not even for that? It's okay. So, first ticket ever. Shit. And 400 dirham bloody ticket.
And the worst thing is, I didn't even know I did anything wrong. That's the thing. Because I'm like, one speeding, I literally, it's like America, you got to come to a full stop, haven't you?
Yeah.
But
You just got to make more of a conscious effort, Nicholas. Now then,
That's two
comment in
burritos.
the comments
No,
whether or not I should take any responsibility for Nick's not stopping at the stop sign. So let us know what you think, because Nick reckons it's not his fault. So, 400 dirham down.
I'm just going to have to have 2 tacos one day. And then it's all done.
Yeah, you're all good. Oh well, never mind. Onwards, right?
Fuckers.
We're here, aren't we? 400 dirham less, but we're here.
2 tacos less.
I think you need to miss out on the next.
No, the 35 dirham. Oh no, it's 400,
35 dirham each,
Oh,
and we got
shit.
400. How
No
many
tacos.
So you're not using tacos as your payment?
No,
Are you going to have to think about this one?
let's just put it as a loss. Yeah?
Okay. Yeah.
Hey.
Oh, look! Hi! Oh, hello! Don't scratch it! Hi, you two! Hi! What's going on, Luna? We've got a new doggy.
I'm doing it!
On one leg?
As soon as I stand on it, it's just going to go boom.
You need to look forward, not down.
Yeah, but I can't get my
You're
balance
looking down, you're
across
going to
that
fall
walking.
straight over.
The pole's there from the port.
Yeah. Good girl.
Good morning. So we're just getting ready this morning to leave Mots and Miata's mum's villa that we're at down in Essaouira. But there's one little one that doesn't seem to want to let us go. Goni. Goni. It's the time that we need to say goodbye, and I'm really not looking forward to it because the last goodbye was hard enough. Hey you. Right, so change of plan. We're not going straight back to Sidi Kaouki from the villa. We're heading to Essaouira. We need some cash because we spent all our money yesterday on a police fine. So we're heading to Essaouira, and Liam's just says, well, if we're going for a cash machine, we may as well go for a walk around. So yeah, we're gonna have a spot to eat, have a wander around the Medina, and Nick gets to see Essaouira at last. So let's go and have a nosy round Essaouira Medina. Oh, and we're all in convoy again. How cool is that? Okay, so change of plan. This park up. We're moving, and we're going to follow these guys because they know a better spot. You know a better spot, right?
We know the best spot.
All the best ones. Ready? Let's go, let's go. Round the roundabout, the rapid rascal rat. This is near where we parked last time. So we're in Essaouira, Medina. Any different to the others yet?
Yeah, this feels different vibe to it.
Yeah, it's way more chilled. You're not being like hounded by anyone around here, so it's actually really nice. These are nice. Last time we were here, we lost all the audio, so it's nice to actually hear the sounds and the noises going on around you. Buongiorno. Yeah, no. Oh my days. Hey. Drums everywhere. Nice. Manchester. So after wandering through the Medina for what seemed like hours looking for somewhere to eat, we finally hit the right spot. Crikey, where are we going? Have you found it?
Only to realise there was nothing on the menu that I could eat.
Oh, look at this. Seems he found something better out on the street anyway.
Well, they didn't have Nutella in there, did they? That's my kind of street food.
From there, we headed back to Mel and Nick's van for a lift back to our vans. Oh, you just sat on me.
Nicholas, Mauritania next stop.
Oh,
Let's go.
Luna, here. Right, that's it for this week, people. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching this far. And if you're not already, please consider subscribing. Drop us a comment below and let us know all about your recent adventures,
And don't forget to ding that bell.
so you can keep up to date with all our upcoming vlogs. We've got all this coming up in next week's vlog.
Don't forget to stay tuned for the blooper reel.
Hope to see you on the road somewhere, because as ever, we are.
Only half the road away.
Keep dreaming big, being kind, and make every single moment count.
Luna, you fucking beast.
I just got that on camera. Luna, you fucking beast. Are they real hobnobs?
Yes.
I'm not going to say no to an hobnob. Bet that's the most expensive hobnob you bought though, right?
52 dirham for a bottle.
Oh mate, thanks. If the camera could walk, you just film us all day.
Can you imagine these fast walking?
Come on, get it done.
Call him a pussy.
Pussy, come on. You are what you eat, right? Come on, Papa.
She's also discriminating swimming people.
Yeah. Sorry, did I that then? Nick, you nearly went head first into that.
This is like a part of my body.
Nick, ting ting. Oh. I got all that. It's here.